This is Inogen G3 pulse mode oxygen concentrator. So this device has giving low purity issue. So we have just refilled the sieve beds. You can see the refilling sieve beds output purity is 95%. It's a pulse dose oxygen concentrator, Inogen G3. So you can contact us for any kind of oxygen concentrator refilling sieve beds of any brands on 8310 869 552 Oxygen Concentrator Machine repair and service. So we use high quality lithium based molecular sieves, that is made in France molecular sieves, and you will get the 100% purity of your oxygen concentrator in our refilling sieve beds.